Good morning, Social Studies Department. I decided to compete with Mr. Hamasu here and make a little screencast of how to get to your PLC notes, because I know we're in the library and the icon that we see here does not appear on those computers, so we have to do a little backwards path to get there. So this is the South Medford High School page that Jeremy created over here on Forms. Quick link, you click on that and you scroll down and you click on Social Studies and you just simply enter your notes in appropriately here. The problem with this is we don't have that icon, so we have to find another path. So this is my solution to the problem, so we don't have to scroll through emails looking for the link. I've taken the link and placed it in a Google Doc. So from Google, just go to your Google Drive, go to your Shared With Me drive, go to Shared Drives, not Shared With Me, Shared Drives, down to Social Studies Department, and right up at the top here there should be a PLC Notes link. Go here to enter notes folder. Open that folder, open the doc, click on the link that's in that doc, and that takes you right to the place to click on Social Studies and enter your notes. Hopefully that's not too overly complicated, but that should allow us from any computer in the building to have a pathway to do that. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Let's make sure to get our notes in and done, and we'll see you guys soon.